What if I told you that the most powerful, most complex, and most mysterious object in the known universe isn't orbiting a distant star? It's right between your ears. You carry it with you every second of every day. But how well do you truly know your own brain? Prepare to be astonished. Here are 7 incredible facts about your brain that might just change the way you see yourself. First, let's talk about power. Your brain right now, as it processes my voice, is generating electricity. How much? Approximately 20 watts. That's enough power to illuminate a small, dim light bulb. Think about that. Constantly awake or asleep, your mind is a silent biological power plant, humming with enough energy to create a visible light. It's not a metaphor. It's the physical reality of your thoughts. This energy fuels every dream, every memory, and every single beat of your heart it commands. So where does all this energy come from? This leads to our second mind-bending fact. The brain is incredibly demanding. While it only makes up about 2% of your body's total weight, it consumes a staggering 20% of your body's oxygen and calories. It's the most resource-hungry organ you have. Imagine a tiny sports car that, despite its small size, guzzles 1/5 of the entire city's fuel supply. Your body constantly prioritizes feeding your brain, diverting a massive share of resources to keep this command center online. It's a testament to just how vital its functions are for your very survival. What exactly requires all that fuel? The answer lies in a microscopic city of staggering complexity. Fact number 3. Your brain contains around 86 billion neurons. For perspective, that's roughly the same number of stars estimated to be in our Milky Way galaxy. Each of these neurons can form thousands of connections with others, creating a web of pathways estimated to be in the trillions. You are not just carrying a brain, you are carrying an entire universe of connections within your skull, a network more complex than any supercomputer ever built. Every thought is a storm of electricity across this stellar map. Now, you might think this intricate universe is fixed, set in stone from a young age. But that's where our fourth and perhaps most empowering fact comes in: neuroplasticity. Your brain is not rigid, it's malleable, like clay. Throughout your entire life, it continues to change and reorganize itself based on your experiences, your thoughts, and your actions. When you learn a new skill, like playing an instrument or speaking a new language, you are physically rewiring your brain, carving new neural pathways. This means you are the architect of your own mind. You have the power to change, to heal, and to grow, literally reshaping your brain with every new choice. And this incredible process of change doesn't just stop when you turn out the lights, which brings us to fact number 5. Your brain can create and consolidate new memories while you sleep. Far from being a passive state, sleep is a crucial, active period for your mind. It's like a diligent librarian working through the night. Your brain sorts through the day's experiences, discarding irrelevant information and strengthening important memories, transferring them to long-term storage. That's why a good night's sleep can help you solve a problem or master a new subject. Your brain is learning even when you're not aware of it. But the brain isn't just a machine for logic and memory. It's the seat of our deepest feelings. Fact 6 reveals just how intertwined our minds and bodies truly are. Emotions are not just abstract concepts. They have physical pathways. That feeling of a broken heart, or having a gut feeling, isn't just poetry. Emotional distress can trigger real physical responses through neural signals sent across the body. Conversely, your physical state heavily influences your mood. The brain and body are in a constant, profound conversation. Your brain doesn't just think, it feels, and it makes your whole body feel too. For decades, the central dogma of neuroscience was that you were born with all the brain cells you would ever have. But our final, most hopeful fact shatters that old belief. Fact 7. Your brain can generate new cells, even in adulthood. This process, called neurogenesis, primarily happens in the hippocampus, a region vital for learning and memory. Things like exercise, learning, and a rich environment can stimulate the birth of new neurons. Like a garden that continues to sprout new flowers, your brain has an innate capacity for renewal. It proves that it's never too late to grow, to learn, and to build a healthier, more vibrant mind. From a silent power plant to a universe of neurons, From an ever-changing map to a garden of new growth, your brain is a world of wonders. It is the source of all art, all science, all love, and all that makes you, you. The more we learn, the more we realize how little we know. But one thing is clear, the potential locked inside your head is nearly limitless. The real question is, what will you do with it?